The medial hook plate, in addition to fixing very small avulsion fractures off the medial malleolus, is ideal for fixing vertical fractures due to the thickness of the proximal portion of the plate. It acts as a very strong buttress. One method is to place the plate over the fracture in buttress fashion, placing a 3.5 millimeter non-locking cortical screw or a 4.0 millimeter cancellous screw through the oblong hole in the superior portion, allowing for future compression if necessary. If the fracture is nicely reduced in this buttress fashion, the proximal holes can be filled with either 3.5 millimeter locking screws, 3.5 millimeter cortical screws, or 4.0 millimeter cancellous screws. The plate comes in various lengths for longer fracture patterns. The drill guide, drill bit, and screwdriver are color-coded for these screws. Distally, the surgeon has the option of placing either a 2.7 millimeter locking screw or a 3.0 millimeter cancellous screw. Once again, this particular drill bit, drill guide, and screwdriver are color-coded for these distal screws. Distal screw placement is necessary for comminuted fractures or if there's any question of rotational stability. Optionally, the surgeon can obtain further compression across the fracture by just initially placing the screw in the oblong hole, followed by placement of a guide wire through the tines and placement over this of a 4.0 millimeter cancellous screw. The tines have a recessed head for low screw prominence and further compression. The proximal screw holes can then be filled appropriately.